TradingView, because what I've got set up, this is another question we get asked a lot, particularly about the indicators, and can I apply them to this market and that market, and VPA. And what I've got set up here is Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. Can I use volume to trade cryptocurrencies? And the short answer is yes. It's what we always say. If you've got a chart with price on it and volume, then you can trade using volume price analysis. And this is Bitcoin on TradingView with our indicators. This is the 5-minute, this is the 10-minute, this is the 15-minute, and this is the 20-minute. And as you can see, what have we got? Well, let's just choose one of these and put that up full size. There we go. Oh, actually, let me leave them on the multiples because it's easier to look at. There we go. Just pop that back down there. We've got volatility triggers. Now, I can guarantee you that an awful lot of crypto traders would have jumped in here and they'd be buying like crazy, and now they're regretting that decision for the time being because we're in congestion. So we've got the volatility trigger here. Ton of volume in under here. Nice volume. In it goes and reverses into congestion. Exactly the same thing over here. Lots of volume coming in, reverses into congestion. If you look at the volume here, what have we got? Well, we've got a market that's, yes, it's weakness here, it's confirmed, decent volume there, but we've actually got falling volume here. So we've got a falling market under falling volume. So from a inverted commas longer term perspective, what we're seeing there is an aspect of volume price analysis, which Anna referred to earlier on, which is about understanding the difference between primary to primary and whether the pullback reversal you're seeing is actually a secondary or whether it is actually truly a reversal in trend. In other words, from bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish. And it's just a nice example here where you're seeing falling volume and falling price. So that's suggesting that this market is not going to reverse the downside with a big rally reversal. In other words, primary bullish to primary bearish. It's just going to trade into congestion, and the trend monitor is starting to signal back into bullish price action again. But it just gives you a sense that whatever you're trading, whatever the market, you can apply volume price analysis. This is Bitcoin. It could be any other of the cryptocurrencies. It can be any one you care to name. As long as there's volume on the chart, it will work. Let's just pop that out of the way. Let's just see what's going on in terms of VIX. It's still tracking down. There we go. And now what we're starting to see that CAD yen come off a little bit now. You can see it here on the currency array, just starting to tick off the highs here. It's ticking a little bit lower there. Let's just have a quick wrap up on the charts. There we go. Let's just see what's happening. And it's starting to develop that reversal opportunity. But what you also want to see is you want to see that reflected in sentiment, you want to see it reflected in oil, you want to see it reflected in the VIX, because otherwise it's a high risk proposition trade.